Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be doing another trending gele style for you guys. So at first I start creating my pleats. I create 5 to 6 pleats there. So after creating my pleats, I'm going back now to cross the both end of the gele together. So guys, for this gele tutorial is 50-50 ratio. It's 50-50 ratio. So after bringing it back to the front, now I'll be creating my pleats. You can create as much pleats as you want. So now I'm creating my pleats. So now I'm creating the pleats as if I'm creating fan. Yeah, just look at what I'm doing carefully. The gele is very easy. It's something that you can just sit down and tie it by yourself. So yeah, I feel that the fan is a little big, so now I'm going back. Now I'm adjusting it. I want to make it small, so now I'm adjusting it. Adjusting it now. So after creating my pleats, I'll go back now. I adjust it. I'll go back to extend the pleats that I created. I will extend it, because if you didn't do this, the pleats that you create, you may lose everything. So it's better if you are creating your pleats, you extend it. So guys, as you guys can know, I do sweat a lot too, so please pardon me. So now I'm through creating my pleats now. So I'll be bringing back the other hand now on top of it. Guys, just look at what I'm doing there carefully. I'm putting it on top of the gele, on top of the one that I first create. That is the first gele that I bring back to the front. I'm putting it on top. So now I'm doing the same thing there. So if you are doing this, guys, only you cannot tie it up. I won't lie to you. So you can tell somebody to assist you. You can tell your clients or your students or anybody to just assist you for you to get your the perfect gele that you want. So after that, the excess hand now, just look at what I'm doing now, guys. You see, so I'll be using office pin to pin it down there. So now I'm going back. Now I'm adjusting it using office pin to hold it at the front there. So that is it, guys. So please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at Glam Beauty 30 Makeover. Can let me know the next gele tutorial you want me to create for you guys. So I love you guys. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.